I have some mystery bundles. What's up, bag babes? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant. If you're new here, hey! My name's Rochelle. I'm a leader with 31 gifts. If you love all things 31 and what it stands for, consider yourself a bag babe. Hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to give these videos a big like. I always try to reach 100, especially if you love these mystery bundles. And don't forget to ring that bell, ding, so you don't miss a video. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of a mystery bundle that I got in a recent haul. Feel free to check out that video up above. I'll also link it down below for your viewing pleasure. Now, if you want to know about all the fun things that are happening on this channel in this month, like my giveaways, my mystery hostess, and all that fun stuff, make sure you stay to the very end of the unboxing. I'll go ahead and fill you in on all the goodness. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get to them. So, if you watched my most recent video, let me just go ahead and speed it up. Whenever you become an insider or you party it up with 31, you get to unlock something called the mystery bundle. And this mystery bundle is roughly $28 in the US, but the value is $75 plus. You usually get 2 to 3 items, and it's a themed item. So either through color, through print, through, I don't know, like a beach theme or thermal print, something. Basically, it all goes together. Now, if you're a big fan of 31, if you love surprises, if you have like a gifting stash or a giveaway stash that you love to always have on hand, these bundles are a great deal. Now, one fun fact about these mystery bundles is that when you reach a $200 party or a qualifying party, you get to unlock one insider exclusive. That is one of these or one of the other 4 or 5 other options we currently have. But if you reach a $500 party, that unlocks 2 insider exclusives. That way you can probably choose a mystery bundle or one of the other fun exclusive products that we have specifically for our insiders. Eventually you get 2, and yes, you can pick 2 of the same things, and that's the mystery bundle. I always get 2 because one for me and one for you, right, girls? Now, fun fact again. If you choose a 2 mystery bundle within the same party, you will get the same thing. It's just the way our distribution center works. My hypothesis or my theory is that they just look at the SKUs, they say mystery bundle 2, and they grab 1, put in the bin, 2, grab in the other bin. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's in. Yes, please subscribe, my son says. Let's go ahead and see what is in mystery bundle number 22. And just for fun, I will open them both just to see. I don't know, maybe there might be a mistake, maybe there may be an anomaly, you never know. So let's see what we got. Okay, I got 1. I knew it was bulky. This is, I definitely don't have a large utility tote. That's for sure. This is bulky. It's gooey. Will I like it? Okay. I mean, I know I'll like it. This is another, like, square. Oh my god, this is, okay. Well, if it goes with my theme, it's a set. Okay, it doesn't seem like there's anything else in here. So, looks like 2 items. It's bulky. It's some sort of a case. Okay, I'm assuming it's an organizing, some kind of case. Will I like it? Will I like it? They're bulky. Let me open up. I do like this. Okay, fun fact. I wanted this backpack, but never pulled the trigger. My mom actually has this, and I've been like, if I ever wanted it, I would probably say, hey mom, can I borrow your backpack? So if you don't know what this is a festive mini backpack in the Black Beauty. This item is no longer available. It has been discontinued. Super petite backpack. You do have a front pocket here, enough to fit a cell phone. You do have a little compartment here with a front flap right here. Like a little traveling case wallet would probably fit in there. Then you have these, I love these contrasting straps. Again, in the faux black leather. It did come in several different colors, but again, this has been discontinued or and is no longer available. Sometimes it might be showing up in the online extras or in the outlets. And I want to take it back. I think my mom had a bigger version. There's a bigger version of this, so she probably has the bigger one, and I now have the petite one. The other one is I knew it. This is the case I was talking about for the Hostess exclusive. The multi-pouch zip case. I initially had one of these on the channel when I did an unboxing in the Twinkling Plum. This was in the last fall Hostess exclusive that you girls can get. I love that nylon, like slippery basically water resistant. Here it's a square case, and it comes with several different pouches in here. These are also coated almost like, I don't want to call it silicone, but definitely more water resistant. I don't want to say waterproof, but has different pouches in here for your organizational, all for your organizational needs. Now I'm going to open up the other pack. Let's see, who knows, it might be different. Let's hope it's a different color, but chances are it's probably going to be the same, with 2222 being the number. Okay, this is it. Yep, basically the same cut, exactly the same one. So now I got 2 of each, and that is okay. Again, if you are getting the mystery bundle within the same party, you choose 2 of them, you will pretty much get the same thing. If you're loving anything that you're seeing in the background, anything in this current catalog, we are in a transition month, meaning everything in the spring summer catalog is going away. They're going to be going to the vault. They're retiring. Some of the prints are being discontinued. Some of the products are being discontinued. If you want a list, comment retire down below, or reach out to me in the Google Docs down below, and I can totally hook you up with the actual list of all the products. Basically, any of the fun prints, most of the thermals will be going away, okay, because we're getting ready for the fall. Speaking of fall, if you want a fall sneak peek, go ahead and comment fall down below. I'll go ahead and give you that information, or Google Docs down below. That's the way you can get a hold of me, because it's launching in literally days, basically September 1st. As I mentioned, if you're shopping the current catalog right now, you want to go ahead and complete that collection that you've been slowly collecting over the past several months. Hit up my mystery hostess link down below. I announced the winner on the 26th. I always try to get a $500 party, because that's when you unlock the $500 insider special. And for the month of August, you get access to a fall bundle. Yes, ladies, what you see is what you get. You're gonna get 3 of these for $30, and then with some change, a super great steal with a new print and 2 new fall products. Personalization is included and is free. If you didn't get in on this mystery link, don't worry, I've unlocked next month's mystery hostess link, so you can get in on the fun sooner rather than later. Now, if you want this bundle for your own and you want to party it up with your 31 consultant, reach out to me. Go ahead and fill out that form down below. Let's customize a party the way you want it. If you want fall today, right now, because you can't wait, one of the ways that, as I mentioned, is to go ahead and party it up with your 31 consultant and reach that $500 party. My mystery hostess, that is another great way. But the best deal for your money right now is to go ahead and get in on our enrollment kits, because they are 31% off. Yes, great steal on all 3, and you can pick the fall prints and fall personalization. So 31 is setting up you for success and getting you ready for fall. Now, girls, I am proud to say I am number 3 in the company on onboarding all the newbies in this company. So if you want a strong sponsor, if you have goals, I would be honored if I would mentor you. Go ahead and connect with me down below. I want to answer all your questions so you can make a formative decision. We're looking for leaders and consultants alike, and no goal of yours is too small or too big. So let's do this. If you haven't yet, join me on Bag Baby TV on Saturdays at 7 a.m. West Coast time, 10 a.m. East Coast time. We're chit-chat about all things with Fun 31 that's going on for the week. Then we have a live Q&A session where you girls take over the platform and ask me questions, ask each other's questions, and we just literally have a fun time together. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Check out these awesome playlists that I got going for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!